Welcome to the Epever tutorial series videos. Today, we are going to introduce to you our newly developed Solar Guardian Portable Energy Storage Management System app. This video will demonstrate the usage guide of the Solar Guardian app. Whether you are a regular user or a professional, this guide will lead you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth and efficient usage experience. Let's explore the functions of Solar Guardian together. Solar Guardian is a mobile application with real-time monitoring, remote switching device, remote parameter setting. After adding on-site devices to the cloud platform through the app, you can manage the devices around the world. The app also supports intelligent fault detection for devices, bringing great convenience to device maintenance, and supports big data analysis. In the following sections, we will guide you through the download and installation of the app, and demonstrate how to use this app. The content includes new account registration, adding gateways and devices and networking, app interface features introduction and usage. Before we start, we need to install the Solar Guardian app on our mobile phone. Apple users can search for Solar Guardian in the App Store, and Android users can search in the Play Store for download. Here, we will demonstrate with Apple. Firstly, open the App Store. Search for Solar Guardian. And then click Get to install. Wait a moment for the installation to complete. Now the app is installed. New account registration. Find Solar Guardian on your phone's home screen and tap to open. The first time you open the app, you will be prompted for network connection permission. To ensure that the software runs properly, here we choose to allow. The main interface has two connection methods: online mode and local connection. The local connection only supports point-to-point communication with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules, with short data transmission distance and no internet connection capability. Therefore, we recommend using online mode, and this video will demonstrate using online mode. Using online mode requires a Solar Guardian account. Here, choose to sign up now. On this page, fill in the username and password. Repeat the password to prevent input errors and tick to agree to our company's privacy policy. Fill in a commonly used email address to receive the verification code. Enter the verification code received in the email. Your register information are securely encrypted and stored on our cloud infrastructure, spanning across the globe. Click to sign up, completing the new account registration. Return to the main interface and click to log in. Create new power station. Navigate to the site interface. Click Add to create a new power station as a centralized management hub for gateways and devices. In this interface, the power station name is a required field, while other items are optional. We recommend filling in detailed power station information for easier understanding. Click Save to complete the creation of the new power station. After the power station is created, you can add gateways and devices. To add a device to the cloud platform through the app, a gateway module is required. Currently, we have the following gateway modules in production. Among them, Wi-Fi 2.4G RJ45D is the most commonly used. Epever Wi-Fi 2.4G RJ45D is a network connection module with 2.4G Wi-Fi function. Just plug it into the controller, inverter, inverter charger, and other devices with RJ45 COM interface, and it can be used. For other types of COM ports, an additional adapter cable is needed. Currently, our company's devices have 4 types of COM communication interfaces: RJ45 type, 3.81mm 4P type, DB9 type, 4M12M type. Among them, the RJ45 type does not need an adapter cable and can be used directly. The adapter cables required for other interface types are as shown in the figure. For the convenience of users, we have compiled this table. Users can choose the required adapter cable based on this table. Note that both the gateway module and the adapter cable are not standard accessories, and you must prepare them in advance when actually adding devices. This video will use Wi-Fi 2.4G RJ45D as the gateway module and one device of each of the 4 interface types as a demonstration, guiding you on how to add them to the power station. These are 4 devices with different communication interfaces. The first one is the Extra NG3 series controller with an RJ45 interface. The second one is the Duo Racer dual battery controller with a 3.81mm 4P interface. The third one is the Tracer CPN series controller for street lights with a 4M12M interface. The fourth one is the U-Power High series inverter charger with a DB9 interface. Next to it are the Wi-Fi modules and adapter cables. Now install Wi-Fi module. Insert Gateway Module 1 into the Extra NG3 RJ45 interface controller. Connect the adapter cable to the Duo Racer dual battery controller. Then insert Gateway Module 2 into the adapter cable. Connect the adapter cable to the Tracer CPN street light controller. Then insert Gateway Module 3 into the adapter cable. Install the adapter to the U-Power High inverter charger. Then insert Gateway Module 4 into the adapter. Now that the Wi-Fi module has been installed, check that the device is working properly before proceeding to the next step. Adding gateways and devices and networking. Open the Solar Guardian app and navigate to the site interface. Then click One-Click Add. The fields with an asterisk are required. Let's go it. The access method is the gateway module. Select Epever Wi-Fi 2.4G RJ45D. Gateway SN is the 22-digit number and letters on the back of the module. To avoid errors, you can use the scan icon next to it. Open the camera permission of your phone to automatically scan the QR code on the back of Gateway Module 1 to obtain it. Device Communication ID is a fixed value. Controllers and hybrid power supplies default to 1, inverters default to 3, U-Power and U-Power High default to 10. The device connected to the first gateway module is controller, so we enter 1. Also, choose Extra and G3 for the product series. Once the items with asterisks are filled in, you can click Next. In the Networking Information interface, fill in a Wi-Fi name and password that can cover both the phone and the device and can connect to the internet. Then click Next. enter the Connect Gateway Wi-Fi hotspot interface. Click Go to Wi-Fi settings, switch to the phone's wireless LAN connection interface. Select the Wi-Fi hotspot emitted by the gateway module added to the app. The default password for the gateway module's hotspot is 123456778. Enter the password and join, then return to the Connect Gateway Wi-Fi hotspot interface. Click Next Step. Enter the Mobile Network Switch interface. Click the Network Switch button, then switch back to the phone's wireless LAN interface. This time, we need to choose a network with an internet connection to receive data from the server. We can see that the app has helped us switch automatically. Return to Solar Guardian. The Wi-Fi module networking has been successful. Click the Finish button to complete adding the first device. For the other 3 devices, use the same steps to add them to the power station list one by one. After adding, you can see them in the power station list. Here, we will not demonstrate further. App interface features introduction and usage. After adding all devices to the power station, you can use the app to perform real-time monitoring, parameter setting operations, etc. There are 3 menu items in the app interface: Overview, Site, Me. The Overview interface summarizes the number of power station devices owned by the user, total generation, total consumption, carbon dioxide emissions saved, and other statistical data, allowing users to intuitively understand the current PV system parameters. The Site interface is used for adding, deleting devices, managing and setting functions for devices. The gateway list will show all the gateways that connected to this power station, where you can modify and delete them. The device lists show all the devices connected to this power station. Click on the Extra NG3 device to enter the device detail page. This page has 6 submenu options: Configuration Overview, Real-Time Data, Parameter Settings, Data Analysis, Alarm Information, Device Overview. To ensure your PV devices work in the best condition, you should often open the Alarm Information page, where the app will prompt for some common device alarm information, facilitating troubleshooting and extending the device's service life. For detailed explanations of various parameters under other menus, please visit our website to download the user manual for viewing. The Me menu item provides operations for device data acquisition, personal account management, log management, electricity and price configuration, etc. Click on the Device Local History File Reading page. Click the Add icon, create a new task, select the required information items, and click Task Generation. Once the task generation is complete, you can download the historical data. The uses of other settings under this menu are not demonstrated here. Users can view the manual on their own. Remember, the user manual is an important usage guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact our support team.